Have you ever tried solving a math problem and got a different answer from your friend, even though you used the same numbers? 30 minus 15 plus 2 equals. Is your answer 17 or something else? Well, today we're going to discover why answers can be different and how to always get the correct one. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to apply the GMDAS rule or the GMDAS rule, solve expressions with 3 or more operations, understand why following rules in math is important. Let's warm up first. 100 plus 25 equals. 250 minus 105 equals. 12 times 30 equals. 200 divided by 5 equals. Great! These are easy because they only use one operation. But what if we mix them together? Now, here's the secret rule. GMDAS means G, grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets. M, multiplication. D, division. A, addition. S, subtraction. Follow this order to solve correctly. Remember, multiply or divide from left to right. Add or subtract from left to right. Let's solve this together. 16 plus 9 divided by 3 times 4 equals. Step 1. Division first. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Step 2. Multiply. 3 times 4 equals 12. Step 3. Add 16 plus 12 equals 28. See? We didn't go left to right. We followed GMDAS. Another example with grouping symbols. 9 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 equals. Step 1. Solve inside parentheses. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Step 2. Divide. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Step 3. Subtract. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Grouping symbols always come first. Let's apply this in real life. JLo received 2,000 pesos. He bought 2 shirts worth 400 pesos each. How much change does he have? Expression. 2,000 minus 2 times 400 equals. Step 1. Multiply. 2 times 400 equals 800. Step 2. Subtract. 2,000 minus 800 equals 1,200 pesos. That's his change. Example 3. More operations. 150 divided by 80 minus 50 plus 95. Step 1. Parentheses. 80 minus 50 equals 30. Step 2. Divide. 150 divided by 30 equals 5. Step 3. Add. 5 plus 95 equals 100. Your turn. Solve this. 95 minus 30 times 4 divided by 12 equals. Let's check. Multiply. 30 times 4 equals 120. Divide. 120 divided by 12 equals 10. Subtract. 95 minus 10 equals 85. Now let's make equations correct by adding grouping symbols. 4 times 7 plus 1 equals 32. Solution. 4 times open parenthesis. 7 plus 1 close parenthesis equals 32. Grouping changes everything. So what did we learn today? The 4 operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. GMDAS Rule. G. Group first. MD. Multiply, divide. AS. Add, subtract. Always follow the order. Where can we use GMDAS? Shopping, budgeting money, cooking measurements. Math helps us make correct decisions in everyday life. Awesome job today, learners. Remember, follow the rules and you'll always get the correct answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. See you in our next math adventure. Bye. To better deepen our understanding of this topic, please do the following activities.